About 1 year ago today, I started my roadside business, and this is exactly how it went. So I started my roadside business as a light duty roadside assistance business, which means basically zero tow trucks and no tow trucks involved. I hope y'all don't mind the shaking of the camera. Y'all sitting on like a little holder. But yeah, so only tools that was required for me to start this business, which is why I got into it, was a floor jack, an impact gun, a jump starter box, which I have right now, which is exactly what I'm about to go do now, is give somebody a jump, and a gas tank, right? A gas canister. So basically, if somebody runs out of fuel, I go give them fuel. If their battery dies, I go give them a jump start, or if they get a flat, I'll go change their tire to their spare tire. Pretty relatively easy things to learn, but at the same time makes some pretty decent money. So there's two avenues that you can make money doing roadside assistance. One is by advertising your own services and business on Google and things like that, and then two, by contracting out with different insurance companies like Allstate for them to kind of send you out when their customers have a flat tire or need a jump start and so on. Those two things make you two different amounts of money. The ones from the insurance, the contracting from insurance, that makes little to barely any money. So with Allstate, the contract that I have with Allstate, they pay about anywhere from $20 to about like $30, $35 per job that they send you to. So that means whether you're changing your tire, giving a jump start, or delivering fuel, you're getting about the same amount. The only thing that changes the amount, like it going from 20 to 30 or 35, I think usually is really about if it's super far out or the time that they're dispatching you out. So you have that. As far as you advertising on your own, people going crazy in traffic. You advertising on your own, it really is up to you how much you want to charge. I charge anywhere from like $75 to $125 for a tire change. Jump starts, I usually try to keep it something that's affordable. So damn, this joint moving everywhere. So anywhere from like $55 to $65 to do a jump start, and then fuel delivery about the same, with the cost of the fuel added on to that. But it's been a very good business, as long as you keep the advertisements going, as long as you do find a contract with a insurance company, it's not bad. So what I've been bringing in since I started this business, I'm sure that's what everybody's here for, is about anywhere on the low scale about $100, $75 to $100 on a higher, and this is per day, on a high scale, and I'm averaging it out. I'm not trying to give you the best day I've ever had, but on the high scale, on average, I'm saying about $200 to $240 a day. Yes, I've seen days where I've made $600-700 in a day, and I've seen days where I've made damn near nothing, $20. So it goes up and down, and that's with any gig or self-employment or anything that you do. You have your days where it's busy, and you have your days where there is no business at all. So I'm going to show you guys some videos of me actually performing some of these services, doing call outs. They're relatively easy to do. You just got to learn how to do them. You can watch simple YouTube videos to learn how to change a tire, to learn how to jump start a vehicle. I'm pretty sure you know how to put gas in your car, so that's not that hard. Oh, of course, another service that I do offer is lockouts, which is my favorite one. I don't know why, but I like breaking in cars. But yeah, I offer that too. That I charge anywhere from like $100 to like $150 for lockouts. I love that. I wish I could just break into cars all day, just do lockouts, do nothing else but lockouts. But yeah, so the roadside business is a very good business to start. It's not that expensive to start the business, because the only thing that gets expensive is getting the right tools. You got to have the right tools. You can't really shortcut the tools. You can't get cheap tools. You got to get good tools. Impact gun might run you a good impact gun might run you $500-600. You can get it used. Look on Facebook Marketplace. Go to a used tire shop, see if they're selling. That's how I got my first one. There was a tire shop that I used to go to get my tires. Pretty cool guys. I asked them if I can buy one of their old impact guns, because they got really good impact guns at the tire shops. So I bought my first one at the tire shop, a used one of their old ones, for like $300. It was really worth like $600-700. So he gave me a good deal. But look for deals like that. A floor jack might run you about $125. A jump start box, a good one, a commercial grade good one, might run you about $200-250. So that is the most expensive part of starting this business, is getting the tools right. As far as advertising, it really depends on how much your area, how much demand there is for the keywords that you're gonna put in and things like that. But that can run you anywhere, however you want it to, how much you want it to run you. But it can run you anywhere from $10 to $30 a day. But it will most of the time it will make you the money back. And then finding things to do in between calls is very important as well. So then the way I actually put start to finish A to Z guide on how to get a roadside business going. So if you guys want that that book, I guess you can call it, just my Cash App link is in my bio. Cash at me whatever amount you want to cash at me, and just put your email in the memo or the for section, and I'll send you the book in the email. But yeah, so let's watch some of the videos of me doing some of this work that you do as a roadside assistance business. And yeah, if it's something you think you could probably do or get started, I encourage you to get going. But this is one of the ways that I do bring in income while being unemployed, and it's a good base of my income. How you doing?
How are you?
Good. Car not starting?
It doesn't start.
Oh man, okay. All right, let's get a jump.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing? Can we step inside the car and then pop the hood? Cool 20. All right, and that's just a tip alone. That wasn't much, because that was an insurance call. Like I told y'all, that's a Allstate call, and like I was telling y'all, they don't really pay much. So that was a $20 call. So it's $20 to do that jump start, plus $20 tip. And that's the beauty about this business too. A lot of the times you do get tips. So and those tips add up. So this is about to go right into my gas, and this is gonna give me gas for the day. I might get a little snack with it at the gas station. So yeah, man, with that being said, man, make sure you guys like, subscribe, share the video, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I appreciate y'all watching. As always, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.